Welcome to Brindavan, a Parthasadi family Samarpanam to our beloved parents, a space for enjoying Vaishnava Sampradaya, slokas, songs, Divyadesa Pasarams, and much more. Namaskar Muttama Bhagavatas. Today, July 5th, 2025, we are on our Divya Darshanam of Chornat Tirupadigal along with Periyalvar. As the third of the six Divyadesas, we will see Tiruppernagar or Koviladi, Appakudattan. We dedicate this to our parents, Rajalakshmi and Srinivasa Iyengar, and Kamala and Seshadri. Our mission of Vrindavan will focus on 4 pathways to Vaishnava Pasurams and Slokas in Santai form, Pasurams and Slokas as music, Divya Kshetra Mahimai, and classical art forms. Enhancing our focus for better organized Anubhavam, we have launched our own website, brindavanjapam.org. We request people to give us a feedback on the website. Ramanuja Daya Patram Jnana Vairagya Bhushanam Srimad Venkatanathāryam Mande Vedanta Desikam Sri Sailesa Daya Patram Deepatyadi Gunadhamam Yatindra Pravanam Mande Ramyaja Mataram Munim. Our Dandavat Pranams and Dhanyavad to Sriman Gomatam Ramkumar Seshadri Swamin of Lubbock, Texas, and Aravind Narasimharaghavan Swamin of Columbus, Ohio, for teaching us Divya Prabandham with Arthabhavam. Dhanyosmi to Aarti Parthasadi for reciting Periyalvar Taniyan along with me. The following organizations have provided a wealth of knowledge on the internet for us to enrich and enjoy, some of which have been used here. Vaishnava Sampradaya, Acharya.org, Anadinam.org, and Prapatti.com. Periyalvar in his Periyalvar Tirumazhi has sung on 6 Divyadesams of Chornat Tirupadi: Thiruvarangam, Thiruvallarai, Tiruppernagar, Koviladi, Tirukkulandai, Tirukkanavaram, and Tiruchitrakoodam, which is Chidambaram. We will sing these pasurams and visit these Divyadesams in the same order. There are 33 pasurams sung by 4 Alvars in the Nalayirat Divya Prabandham on Tiruppernagar or Appakudattan, Koviladi. Periyalvar has sung 2 pasurams in Periyalvar Tirumazhi. Tirumangyalvar has sung pasurams in 4 of his Prabandhams: Periya Tirumazhi, Tirukkurunthadagam, Tirunedantandagam, Siriya Tirumadal, and Periya Tirumadal. Tirumazhisai Alvar has sung in his Nanmugam Tiruvandadi 1 pasuram. Nammalvar has sung 11 pasurams in his Nammalvar Thiruvaimozhi. Tiruppernagar or Koviladi is near Trichy, near the Grand Anicut of river Kaveri. It is also known as Indragiri or Palasavanam. There are 5 divine abodes of Lord Ranganatha, out of which Tiruppernagar is one of them. Srirangapatna is the Adirangam, Srirangam is Madhyarangam, Kumbakonam Sarangapani is Chaturtharangam, then we have Tirundarur Parimalarangam and Tiruppernagar, Appakudattan, Koviladi. Tiruppernagar is also known as Koviladi, Appakudattan, and Appalaranganathan. Perumal in this Divyadesam is called Appakudattan. There is a Sthala Puranam which relates to this and why he is called Appakudattan. We will now see that. Sri Durvasa, as we all know, is a very great sage, but he gets angry and he curses many a times. Similarly, he met Rishi Upamanyu and cursed him and said, if you want to get rid of my curse, you will have to feed 1 lakh people every day. Sri Mahavishnu saw this, and then to get the Rishi relieved of his first curse comes in the form of an old man and consumed all the food. And then the Rishi is flabbergasted. He said, how am I going to feed the rest of the people? Then Perumal chose his true form and demands him a pot of Neyyapam, which he holds till today in his hand. That is why he is called Appakuduttan. Perumal is satisfied, revealed his identity, and relieved the sage from the curse. And even today, there is Neyyapam, which is offered as Aravane or Palliyare Prasadam. Palliyare Prasadam is something that is offered when Perumal is put to sleep at night. It is the last prasadam. So every day this is offered. And so Perumal is holding the Appakudam in his hand and is also named as Appakuduttan. Tiruppernagar, Koviladi, is also the place where Sage Markandeya is freed from his death curse. And Indra received a lesson on humility in this place. Another Sthala Visesham is Swami Nammalvar attained moksham in Tiruppernagar. This is one of the Pancharanga Kshetrams, as we already saw. Moolavar is Appakuduttan, Utsavar is Appalarangan, Tayar is Indra Devi, Kamalavalli Tayar, Vimanam is Indra Vimanam, Tirtham is Indra Tirtham. Blessing posture or Perumal's Anugrah posture is Bhujanga Sayanam, and he is facing west. Now we come close to the Garbhagram. Moolavar is Appakuduttan, Appalarangan. The right hand is blessing Rishi Upamanyu and is also holding the Appam pot or the Neyyapam pot, Appakuduttan. Utsavar in this temple is Appalarangan. Perumal shows he is the owner of the universe in this temple, as he holds everything within himself, just like he is holding the Appakudam. Beautiful Appalarangan in Kalyana Tirukkolam and other Utsavam. Utsavar Appalarangan in other Utsavams. Gurumukham anaditya praha vedan aseshan narapati parikliptam sulkam madatu kamaha swasuram amaravandyam ranganatasya sakshat dvijakula talakam tam vishnu chittam namami. Minnar tadamadil sool villi puttur ennor kaal சொன்னார் கடற் கமலம் சூடினோம் முன்னால் கிழியறுத்தான் என்றுரைத்தோம் கீழ்மையினில் சீரும் வழி அறுத்தோம் நெஞ்சமே வந்து பாண்டியன் கொண்டாட பட்டர்பிரான் வந்தான் என்று ஈண்டிய சங்கம் எடுத்தூத வேண்டிய வேதங்களோடு விரைந்து கிழியறுத்தான் பாதங்கள் யாமுடைய பற்று. We will now recite Periyalvar Tirumozhi Appakuduttan Sannadhi. Periyalvar in his Periyalvar Tirumozhi 2.6.2 and 2.9.4 sings on Tiruppernagar. கொங்கும் குடந்தையும் கோட்டியூரும் பேரும் எங்கும் திரிந்து விளையாடும் என் மகன் சங்கம் பிடிக்கும் தடக்கைக்கு தக்க நல்லங்கம் உடையதோர் கோல் கொண்டு வா அரக்கு வழித்ததோர் கோல் கொண்டு வா. Periyalvar in Periyalvar Tirumozhi 2.9 sings as Yashoda Mata asking Lord Krishna not to go out anywhere because there are so many things which are against him. He says, கொண்டல் வண்ணா இங்கே போதராயே கோயில் பிள்ளா இங்கே போதராயே தொண்டிரை சூழ் திருப்பேர் கிடந்த திருநாரணா இங்கே போதராயே உண்டு வந்தே நம்மம் என்று சொல்லி ஓடியாகும் புகா இச்சிதானும் கண்டெதிரே சென்றெடுத்து கொள்ள கண்ணபிரான் கற்ற கல்விதானே. This is very similar to Oothukadu Venkatakavi's song Maadimekkum Kanne Ni Pogade. That is a conversation between Krishna and his mother, where Yashoda Mata says, do not go, and Lord Krishna gives her different reasons why he wants to go. Very beautiful pasarams. Kamalavalli Tayar or Kamalavalli Nachiyar is the Tayar in this temple for Appakudattan, Koiladi. There's an interesting story how Tayar asked Perumal to get her the Parijatam flower from the Indra's palace. And when Perumal asks for that, he goes there, Indra refuses to give and sends his Vajrayudham. Then Perumal actually, he destroys the Vajrayudham and gets the Parijatam flower for his Tayar, Kamalavalli Nachiyar. After reciting Periyarvar Tirumozhi in Appakudattan temple, we prayed to him saying, Appakudattane emakku arul puriya vendum. We prostrate before him and start on our next Divya Yatra along with Periyarvar. Adiyongal Dasoham Dhanyosmi for joining us in our Periyarvar Tirunachatram Ani Swati 2025 July 5th in Koviladi, Appakudattan. See you all in our 4th Divya Yatra, that is in Thirukudandai Sargamani Temple, Kumbakonam with Periyarvar. Dhanyosmi and Dasoham from Parthasarathy Srinivasan family. Please send your feedback to brindavanjapam@gmail.com for us to make this Anubhavam better. Enjoy more Vaishnava Anubhavam on www.brindavanjapam.org.